नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग क्लास 6 के जनरल साइंस में लेसन नंबर 5 डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों, अदर सब्जेक्ट के भी क्वेश्चन आंसर के वीडियो बना करके अपलोड किया गया है, उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है, आप लोग वहां पर जाकर के देख सकते हैं। तो आइए अब हम लोग चालू करते हैं लेसन नंबर 5 डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट का एक्सरसाइज। ये है लेसन नंबर 5 डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, उसका एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। फर्स्ट, स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स एंड गिव रीजंस। फर्स्ट, अ पर्सन बीटन बाय अ स्नेक should be made to run quickly to the hospital. The answer is false. A person bitten by a snake should be kept calm and should not be allowed to move. Instead, he should be immediately taken to a hospital for medical assistance. Second, the body of a person suffering from sunstroke should be wiped with cold water. The answer is true. Now next, second, suggest appropriate first aid for the following situations. Explain your answer with reasons. First, boiling water falls on your colleague's hands. The hand has turned red and is causing severe pain. The answer is, since boiling water fell on person's hand, it may have caused a burn. Keep the affected hand under cool running water for some time to reduce pain and heat. This is an appropriate first aid measures for burns. Afterward, dry the hand and apply ointment. If there is a pain, give him a painkiller. If the burn is serious, take him to a doctor immediately. Now next, second, a person's clothes on the street have caught fire and he started running in panic. The answer is first, if the person's clothes have caught fire, tell him to stop running immediately because running can make the fire spread faster and increase the risk of fire in the surrounding area. Second, tell the person to lie down on the ground and roll. This helps to extinguish the fire quickly. Third, if water is available nearby, pour it over the burning clothes. This immediately reduces the temperature of the burnt area. Fourth, blisters may appear on the skin after burning. Do not burst them because they protect the underlying wound. Fifth, do not pull off clothes stuck to the burnt skin. This can make the wound more serious, cause bleeding, and increase pain. It may also increase the risk of infection. Sixth, after the fire is extinguished, take the injured person to a doctor immediately for medical help. Now, next question. Third, some wells in a village that had plenty of water suddenly started drying up. At the same time, water level began to rise in wells that were previously dry. Yash thought this was a miracle. Priya thought this happened because of underground movement caused by an earthquake. Whom do you agree with? Give reasons for your answer. The answer is, I agree with Priya. When the earthquake occurs, underground movement occur, which can change the underground water flow. Due to this, the water level in wells that previously had plenty of water may decrease, and while the water level in wells that were previously dry may increase. This happened due to natural changes in groundwater movement and is not a miracle as Yash thinks. Now next question. Fourth, answer the following questions. A. What are the various effects of earthquakes on human life? The answer is first, earthquake cause large scale loss of life and property. Second, houses, schools, hospitals, and other buildings are damaged. Third, Damage to roads, bridges, and railway lines disrupt the transport system. Fourth, there is a shortage of food, water, medicines, and medical services. Fifth, economic loss disrupts normal life. Sixth, people experience fear and mental stress. Now, next, B. Write the harmful effect of water. The answer is first, large scale loss of life occurs in war and many people are injured. Second, building collapse due to bomb explosion, public property like schools, hospitals, and road are damaged. Third, there is a shortage of food and water. It becomes difficult to get medicines and other medical aid. Fourth, thousands of people have to migrate. People experience fear and mental stress. Fifth, natural resources are damaged on a large scale. Forests are destroyed. Sixth, agricultural activity are affected. Air and water pollution increase due to toxic gases and chemicals. Now next, C. What will you do if you receive a call from an unknown number asking for an OTP? The answer is first, if we receive a call from an unknown number, we should be cautious and never share personal information or an OTP. Second, if asked for an OTP, we should not share it and should immediately inform our parents or guardians about it. Third, cyber criminals use such methods to commit fraud and cause financial loss. Hence, we should always be cautious while attending such calls. Now, next question. Fifth, find information about the risk involved in pulling off clothes that are stuck to the skin of a person injured in a fire accident. Write it down in your notebook. The answer is when clothing is stuck to the skin of a person injured in a fire accident, you should never attempt to pull it off. Doing so carries significant risking including further tissue damage. Pulling off stuck clothing will likely tear away the damaged skin and underlying tissues that may be adhering to the fabric, significantly worsening the severity of the wound. Increase the risk of infection. Removing the clothing exposes the raw, damaged tissue to the air, increasing the risk of contamination and serious infection. Increase the pain and trauma. The act of ripping away stuck clothing causes extreme, unnecessary pain and psychological trauma to the victim. Worsening hemorrhage. Tearing away skin that is stuck to the fabric can reopen and exacerbate bleeding from the burn side. First aid recommendation. If clothing is stuck to a burn, leave it in place and carefully cut around the fabric, removing only the loose part that are not adhering to the skin. Seek professional medical attention immediately. Now next, sixth, why should people avoid crowding at the site of major accident, fire or river flood just to watch the situation or take videos and photos? The answer is first, people who gathered at the site of a disaster only to watch the situation or to take videos or photographs do not come to help the injured. Second, unnecessary crowds create obstacle in rescue operation and in providing help to the injured. Third, they may also obstruct the work of the police, fire brigade, ambulance, and rescue teams. Therefore, crowds should be avoided at such places. Now, next, seventh, list the ways in which we can help during a railway or vehicle accident. The answer is first, inform the police, ambulance, and fire brigade immediately. Second, help move injured people to a safe place only if it is safe to do so, or wait for trained rescue personnel. Third, Provide first aid to the injured. Help stop external bleeding if it is occurring. Fourth, reassure and help panicked people. Fifth, keep unnecessary crowds away and help emergency workers by keeping the area clear. Sixth, contact the relatives of the accident victims. Seventh, refrain from spreading rumors. Now, next question. Eighth, nowadays air conditioned buses and trains are available for comfortable travel. These vehicles have large glass windows, but why are these windows always kept completely closed? Also, a large hammer is kept in the prominent, easily visible place in such vehicles. What could be its purpose? The answer is first, air conditioned buses and trains have large sealed glass windows to prevent cool air from escaping. Second, if such a vehicle meets with an accident, it may be difficult for passengers to get out because the windows cannot be opened. Third, in such situations, it may be necessary to break the window glass to escape. Fourth, therefore, a large emergency hammer is kept at an easily visible place for breaking the glass. Now, next question. Ninth, some words related to disasters are hidden in the grid below. Identify these words and write them in your notebook. Storm, snake bite, earthquake, cybercrime, man-made, sunstroke, forest fire, and first aid. So answer is first snake bite, second earthquake, third forest fire, fourth sunstroke, fifth storm, sixth man-made, seventh cybercrime and eighth first aid. सो फ्रेंड्स आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 5 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए और इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी एक्सरसाइज 5 मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।